In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a futures account on Webull. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Webull app like you normally would, go to the bottom menu and press over here where it says deposit. Afterwards, please go to the top right and select over here. And then what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down. And when you scroll down, you're going to see this section where you're basically able to go ahead and apply for all these different accounts. We have individual margin, we have joint, futures, traditional IRA, Roth IRA, etc. And you'll notice that we're going to have this option that says futures. So you're able to press on apply now, just like so. And then you're going to need to input a bunch of information about yourself. So you're able to select over here where it says apply for futures account. And then it is going to give you a brief overview of your entire account. And you need to confirm that everything is 100% accurate. Then select on next. Then afterwards, it may ask you questions on your experience with futures and your risk tolerance and stuff like that. So be sure to answer all those truthfully. And then afterwards, you should be good to go. And afterwards, that is going to finish your application. And you need to wait a couple business days in order for your application to get approved. But then afterwards, you should be able to go ahead and trade futures. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.